Hello, my name is Sky from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. We are delighted to bring you this Jaguar F-Pace D200, powered by the 2-litre 204 PS engine, coming with the amazing HSE specification and Jaguar's all-wheel drive system, improving the performance of the car all year round. This Jaguar comes in the stunning Carpathian grey, which is enhanced by the black pack, including the window surrounds, side vents and grille and surround. We also have the privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security. And finishing off the exterior beautifully, we have the 21-inch bi-colour alloys. This Jaguar benefits from the premium LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. We also have the electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, as well as the powered tailgate, which opens up to give you this spacious boot, perfect for shopping or luggage. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats, with a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside too. We have the full ebony interior, including the perforated leather upholstery and suedecloth headlining. Brightening up the cabin of the car, we have the light contrast stitching, as well as a fixed panoramic sunroof, also getting you ready for the summer months. Adding both comfort and luxury, we have the electrically adjustable, heated and cooled front seats, as well as the heated steering wheel with the electrically adjustable steering column. The black leather wrapped steering wheel also has paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive alongside dynamic modes, as well as being multifunction, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with speed limiter, the heated steering wheel function, and the impressive interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 10-inch touchscreen. This features the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, DAB digital radio, satellite navigation for all of those unknown roads, and other car settings. It also displays the outstanding 3D surround camera, alleviating any of your parking worries. As you can see here, this touchscreen also displays the 3-way heated and cooled seats function. Just underneath we have the dual climate controls, which also has access to controls for the heated and cooled seats. Just below we have the stop-start go button, as well as the automatic gear selector with the electronic parking brake, and the cup holders which can be hidden when you're not using them, keeping the car looking sleek and stylish. This car comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.